Have you ever wondered how clouds are formed? Hi, my name is Miss Ashanae from the Asylum Hill Boys and Girls Club. And today we'll be doing an experiment which will show how clouds are formed.
So the materials you'll need for this experiment are a jar, a plate, ice, measuring cup, and some hairspray. So now let's get started. The first thing you're going to do is get your measuring cup and pour some hot water in there, 1/3 cup of hot water. After pouring the hot water into the measuring cup, you're then going to pour that hot water into the jar and stir the water into the jar so that all of the sides of the jar can get coated with that warm water. It's very essential that the sides of the jar has the warm water on there for this experiment. So we're now going to grab our plate and put the plate on there for a couple seconds while we get our ice together. Okay, now that we have our ice, we're now going to place a couple pieces of ice onto the top of the plate. If you have smaller ice cubes, you'll want to place about 15 to 20 ice cubes on top of the plate. Now we're going to grab our hairspray and we're going to spray some hairspray in there just to coat the top of the water just a little bit. And after spraying some hairspray on top of that, we're then going to place the ice cubes right on top. So almost immediately we begin to see our clouds. So when you add water, warm water to the jar, some of it turns into water vapor. The water vapor rises to the top of the jar where it comes into contact with the cold air from the plate of ice. Water vapor condenses and then it cools down. However, in nature with a real cloud, it can only form from water vapor if it has something to condense onto, like, for instance, dust particles or air pollution or pollen. So in this case, with this experiment, the water vapor was condensed onto the hairspray.